Hello students, in this class we are going to learn about the Joule-Thomson effect for ideal gas and the real gas. Okay, first we have learned what is Joule-Thomson effect. When a gas under constant pressure is forced through a insulated porous plug to a region of a lower constant pressure, its temperature changes. This is called the Joule-Thomson effect and it is also known as the throttling process. Okay. The change in temperature is proportional to the pressure difference between the two sides of the plug. Okay. Then we derive one equation in Joule-Thomson effect, that is given as dt by dp is equal to dt by dp is equal to T into dou V by dou T at P minus V upon Cp. Okay, this is the expression that gives the change in temperature dt of a gas during the throttling process where pressure difference between the two sides of the porous plug is dp. Okay, now we have for ideal gas there is a ideal gas equation PV is equal to RT. Okay, then we get differentiating on partial differentiation we get the equation dou V by dou T at P is equal to R upon P. Okay, now put this value in equation. First we get, see here, the dou V by dou T at P, the value is R upon P. Now here we put R upon P. Okay, see, we get dt by dp is equal to T into R by P minus V upon Cp. Okay, now see the ideal gas equation PV is equal to RT. Okay, from that we get V is equal to T into R by P. Okay, T into R by P is V. Hence we get V minus V upon Cp. Hence we get dt by dp is equal to 0. Okay, V minus V is 0. This is in case of ideal gas. Okay, then what for the real gas? This is the ideal condition. Okay, and we get for an ideal gas Joule-Thomson effect is 0. See here, dt by dp is equal to 0 for an ideal gas. Thus, for an ideal gas, Joule-Thomson effect is 0. Okay. Then, for real gas, Joule-Thomson effect is, for real gas, we have the van der Waals equation. Okay. Here, we have van der Waals equation. P plus A by V square into V minus V is equal to RT, that is the van der Waals equation. Now differentiating this equation with respect to temperature and the pressure as constant, we have, see here, differentiating equation first with respect to T and P as a constant, we get P plus A by V square into dou V by dou T at P minus 2A by V cube into dou V by dou T at P into V minus B is equal to R. Okay, that is, further solving this equation we get dou V by dou T at P into bracket P plus A by V square minus 2A by V cube into V minus B is equal to R. here dou v by dou t at P keeps common. Okay, then we have rearranged for the dou v by dou t at P. We get the equation r upon P plus a by v square minus 2a upon v cube into v minus b. Here this get here division on other side. Okay, here it is in multiplying state, here it get divides on other side. Okay, then from the equation first we have dou v by dou t at P is equal to r upon rt upon v minus b. From this equation we get the value of P plus a by v square is rt upon v minus b minus 2a upon v cube into v minus b. Okay, then we get dou v by dou t at P is equal to r into v minus b. Here it get multiply on r upon rt minus 2a by v cube minus into v minus b square. Okay, equation number 3. Now multiply both side by t. We get t into dou v by dou t at P is equal to rt into v minus b upon rt minus 2a by v cube into v minus b square. Equation number 4. Okay, since b is very less than v, we can neglect it in terms of v minus b square, so that v minus b square is nearly equals to v square. Okay, hence the equation 4 becomes t into dou v by dou t at P is equal to rt into v minus b upon rt minus 2a upon v. Okay, now further modifying the equation, we get t into dou v by dou t at P is equal to rt into v minus b upon rt into 1 minus 2a upon v into rt. Here rt are get common. Okay, then t into dou v by dou t at P is equal to v minus b, rt get cancel. Okay, in numerator and denominator, and we get the equation v minus b upon 1 minus 2a upon v r t. Okay, then t into dou v by dou t at P is equal to v minus b into 1 minus 2a upon v r t inverse. Okay, for the simplicity we get v minus b into 1 plus 2a upon v r t. Then neglecting 2ab by v r t, we get v minus b is equal to 2a by rt. Therefore we get the final equation t into dou v by dou t minus v is nearly equal to 2a by rt minus b. Hence the equation becomes, and we get the dou t by dou p is equal to t into dou v by dou t at P. Now put the value of dou v by dou t at P minus v is 2a by rt minus b. Keep here the value of this 2a by rt minus b upon Cp. This is the dt by dp is equal to 2a by rt minus b upon Cp. Okay, if the value of 2a by rt is greater than b, that is t is less than 2a by rb, then dt by dp will be positive. Okay, but dp is negative, hence dt will also be negative, that is gas will be cooled on passing through porous plug. Here the condition is, if the ratio 2a by rt is greater than b, that is t is less than 2a by rb, then dt by dp will be positive, but dp is negative, hence dt will also negative, that is the gas will be cooled on passing through the porous plug. And the next case is if 2A by RT is less than B, that is T is greater than 2A by RB, then dt will be positive and there will be heating effect. Okay, contrast effect are seen. Important for your exam. If 2A by RT is equal to B, that is T is equal to 2A by RB, then dt is 0. Hence there is no effect in temperature of gas. This is called as the temperature of inversion. Okay, these are the three conditions where the value of pressure 2A by RT is greater than B, then dt by dP will be positive and there will be a cooling effect. And the next is 2A by RT is less than B, then there will be temperature greater than 2A by RB and dt will be positive and there will be heating effect. Okay, if both are equal, 2A by RT is equal to B, then the temperature is also equal to 2A by RB, then dt is 0 and there is no effect in temperature, there is no change in temperature of gas, and this is called the temperature of inversion. Okay, this is regarding the Joule-Thomson effect in terms for the ideal gas and for the real gas. Okay, thank you.